Research here at LSU Health Shreveport covers a wide range of conditions and diseases. However, we have 4 centers that really help provide the focus of these research efforts here on our campus. The first of which is the Feist-Weiler Cancer Center, and then the Center for Cardiovascular Diseases and Sciences. Then there's the Center for Excellence in Arthritis and Rheumatology, and more recently, the Center for Brain Health. Research here at LSU Health actually is cutting edge. In fact, many advances in both cancer, cardiovascular, and neurological care and discoveries at a basic level have been made at our campus.
Basic science is really providing a lot of the knowledge that we need in order to make any type of advancement. So if we can't understand the drugs and what they do exactly to our cells, we can't move them into patients because we could have all sorts of bad side effects. And so there's lots of different steps in the process. And the first step is usually basic science.
We've had a lot of really big wins recently in research, and there are many. Obviously, the COBRA grants, which are multi-departmental, multi-investigator, institutional-based grants that allow large amounts of collaborations and funding to come through to help nurture the next generation of researchers.
What drew me to LSU Health Shreveport, I think the institution itself gives a tremendous amount of resources to young investigators, to postdocs and pre-doctoral students. And they provide them with so much infrastructure, so much equipment, as well as funding to really move forward the research. I think when you're at a bigger institution, your worth is how much funding you bring to the table. And if you don't bring that funding to the table, you could be let go of your job. But I think LSU Health Shreveport, it's more balanced. You're a person, you're a member of the faculty, and you're worth something. And it's not just about how much grant funding you bring in or how prestigious you are or you are not.
Clinical trials research is really critical for the overall biomedical research enterprise because it helps us take discoveries we learn at the bench and see if they can help patients.
We have a lot of clinical trials here that we're closely working with big device companies, big pharmaceutical companies, as well as what we call as investigator-initiated trials that we start and we run in stents technology, in arrhythmias, in several different areas of vascular medicine. That's always going on, that's looking for patients to enroll. If people take part in clinical trials, the information that we gather from their participation is then helping us understand disease mechanisms, how does medicines work, how do devices work, what are their complications, and then we apply this information to the society in general. So as an individual, if you take part in a trial, you can get access to medicines that are only available as a part of a trial. Also, you might be able to actually get access to some of these high-cost medications or devices as a part of a trial where you don't have to pay for it. I think it's really great to have these clinical trials in our backyard and be able to provide that service to the patient.
There's a significant impact of our research on the local economy. Many companies have actually been formed out of LSU Health here that have actually contributed to the economy. Millions of dollars worth of financing has come from the outside into the region to grow these new businesses. In addition to that, we've had the issuing of many different U.S. patents, which is helpful and contributes to the overall economic growth, not only the university, but the region.
I would say that the research done here has a very positive impact for our area, both in the connection that provides the researchers here to people around the country and around the world and putting us on the map, as well as to people like me who have the opportunity to spin a business out and build something at home where we want to do it and go forward. It's a significant advantage to our area to have an institution like this here doing what they do.